Y'all know live. You see that? So we're just gonna wait a little bit for people to join, okay? I don't know if I can turn my camera around. If it's gonna turn. Hold on 1 second. You stay right there, okay?
I know how to turn around.
No, you just stay right there.
Look, you see the wrist button? I know how to turn around. Like
No,
you could turn
I was
around
just
so
trying to
they can
see.
you back.
I was gonna see if we do it this way, if we're gonna get,
You better put it higher.
if we're gonna
for me.
record it. Slanted.
Wait, is it recording enough?
It is gonna. I think it's
Put
recording.
it up a little bit.
Hold on.
They can't see your eyes.
Hold on, I'm just trying it out, baby. Okay, let's turn it back out the other way around.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, let's leave it like this.
1, 2, 3.
We can take a screenshot. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wait, let me see. I'll hit it.
No way. You see it after.
Color
So
it.
you see it after. We can get started. So what's gonna happen? I'm just gonna do the live. When people come, they're gonna start popping up. If they wanna say hi, they say hi or whatever. And after
This
the
is
live.
the live meeting that you was doing when we was outside.
No, not the meeting. This is just a live video
Oh.
that I'm gonna be doing, and we're gonna post this on the internet after, so people can look at it. So we don't have to wait for like a lot of people to log on, right?
Oh.
So you ready to get this started?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you're ready. Hi guys, welcome to Natalie J Couture Events Live DIY every Wednesday. I know we're supposed to be on 11, but with homeschooling, well, not homeschooling, virtual schooling and all those other amazing stuff, it's kind of, So like my youngest is doing testing this week, so 11 o'clock is not a good time for me this week. So I just had to log on this time at 5:20, right? So as you guys know, I'm Natalie. Introduce yourself.
Fernie.
And that's Vernon. And today we are going to be doing a unicorn team, guys. Are you excited?
Yes.
You excited? You think we're going to do a good job? High five. All right. So, like you may see in the back, the balloons is already up. I did not do a DIY for the balloons because I am not a balloon expert. That's not my expertise. If I'm doing an event that require balloons, I'm gonna hire someone to do that. Not because I can set up balloons to look pretty, mean that I'm an expert. No, I'm not a balloon expert. I just during the coronavirus, I stayed home and practiced a little bit, so I get to, get, a little thing. So anyway, yeah. So today we're going to be doing a unicorn party. And I was like, well, why not bring my son with me? It's kind of playful, kid friendly. So why not? So we're going to go ahead and get started, right? All right, let's high five. Teamwork. And I'm going to take that. And I'll put on a centerpiece, guys. Centerpiece. You are funny.
What those for? What those blue things for?
These right here?
No.
Those are like...
No, this.
Oh, you'll see after we put it up in a little bit. So right now we're going to go ahead and put up the chargers. This is called chargers. So if you go to a party and you see these, baby, guess what? You don't get to eat on these, okay? These is not for eating. These is just for to put on the table to look pretty. So if you go to a party and you see these, do not put your food on here. You just have a time. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my plates up.
Oh, can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Put these plates up. You put those plates up. And then I can do these. Hey, make sure it's facing like this, babe. No, so you want to get the unicorn like this.
Like this?
So this one's going to be that way. And then this one's going to be facing that way, okay? So we'll go ahead and put up those.
On this?
Yep. You have more than one.
The one?
Yes, you have more than one.
You did not see that.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh,
So you got to put it around.
And then, there's just only 2.
We have one more over there. One, you didn't see that?
No?
Oh, man. How you didn't see that?
Oh, no. Wait, did I put it there?
I did that one.
Oh.
Okay. So you know what you can do? You know
No.
what you can do now?
No.
You can go get the cups. Go this way to get the cups. And you put them up on the right side, okay?
Where are they?
Yeah. Put them up on the right side. Hello, we have someone
Right
saying
here.
hello. Come, let me show you how it works. Come. So you see right here, you see Mr. Chris Clean say hello, say hi.
Hi.
You wave. All right, so go ahead and get the cups.
Where's that?
Go get the cups, baby.
Right here or that way?
No.
Where is it? Oh, yeah. See them. It's not like when there's with forks and spoons in it.
Right. And the cups is gonna go on the right side, okay?
Right. Okay. Oh. These are, I know that the one left.
You need to take one by one. You cannot take all together because you're gonna knock them over.
There's
Okay.
two.
Okay.
Wait, there's two of them? There's two people? There's one.
It's just Mr. Chris Clean saying hello.
Oh.
Right. All right. So, oh, guess what? I did forget something, but that's fine. We're not gonna use it. That's fine. Okay. Can you pick up that one that fell on the ground for me?
Well, this? Oh, I'm not sure someone's, I'm not sure it's like, since I did see it. So there's just one needed be. Okay. Wait, there's two more? Oh, did not see that one behind that one.
I'll get that one back over there, okay?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
I'll get that one.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put this one up here. So you know what you can get for me now?
No.
Go ahead and give me the stands for the paint. I'm gonna put them up.
These?
The blue stands.
The
Blue.
blue.
Mm-hmm.
I remember I pointed at it and then I said blue. These are the stands, right? Oh.
Yep.
Where do I put it?
I'll put them up.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put them on the right side right here.
Oh, those are something like one of those painting stuff.
Yeah, they're gonna be doing.
Wait, those are one of the stuff was in the board?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, this stuff like,
You think it's gonna be a cool party, right?
yeah.
I know.
Now, you know, you turn this backwards.
No, it's for that person sitting there can see it. It's gonna be
Oh.
like this. Okay?
Yeah.
This is gonna be a cool party, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna. Ooh,
I'm not sure I
they're
know.
gonna have so much fun at this party.
Yeah.
Why don't you give me the stuff to go with the party now? Give me the painting thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the painting thing will have the color shading and the paintbrush too.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, what is the older Johnson? How up?
Okay.
That goes.
No, we don't need these. We just need the other thing.
Other thing.
Those right there, the white.
Oh. Painting paper. That's a painting paper. So you want me to put them on it?
I'll put them on here in 1 second.
Oh,
Okay, go ahead if you could put them on. Just don't knock it over. Take your time and put them on, okay? Just take your time and put them on.
Okay. I know what it's colored. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
I know. I was about to say. I know what time. I was about to say. I know what colors dinosaurs are. Are the more blue stuff that you put up on
Give me. I got some.
behind it?
I get the ones in the back because you can't reach the ones in the back. Okay, I get them. Thank you, baby.
Oh, I put that. I can read over there.
Isn't this party gonna be awesome?
Yes.
You know, you wish you're gonna be going to this party, right?
Yeah.
So guess what? We're finished. Ah, hey. So we are finished. Oh yes, I have been training him for a very long time. So we are actually finished right now, setting up this is a little unicorn party. And like I said, I'm not gonna show how to do the balloons because that's not my expertise. But even though I can do it, that's not my expertise. Yes, baby?
Know that I know that ring, like unicorns are magical.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, I know.
Guess what?
Yeah.
The girls is going to need a ring, so we're going to put a ring on the table for them, okay? You're right next to their hat, right like this.
Oh.
Whoa. Isn't that a cool party?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a cool party.
I just put it right there, you know.
Oh, I got it. Thank you. And that's it for our DIY today. You want us to put up the brush? We have time to put a brush up. You want to put a brush up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put a brush up.
Oh, what
So
about the
just
pink
put
and
it-
stuff?
Let's put a brush like this. Like this. Put it. Like
Oh, on it.
Yeah. If you
Oh,
can't
you
fit
go
it
off.
on there, just leave it on the table, okay?
There's one. Oh, there's one. Don't have it right there.
Okay, give me. I get it.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah. We did
What
it.
about these?
They'll get these on their own so they can choose what color they want. So we are actually finished with our live DIY today. I'm going to give you a close-up as always. And Van, I think we did an amazing job. So you guys leave us a comment and let us know how we did. You think we did a good job? High five. All right. Say woo-hoo-hoo. Tell them, remind them to be safe about the coronavirus. Tell them what they need to do.
Be safe from the return virus, or you're down to the store, wear a mask.
He said wear a mask. Okay, so I'm gonna do a close up real quick. How do I do this?
You spray your hands.
Oh no. Okay, that's fine. So this is a close up. Close up, guys. Yes. We did the unicorn theme since it's really popular right now. So as usual, the video is going to be on the YouTube channel. It's going to be on the Instagram page and also on the Facebook. And let us know, leave us a comment, let us know what you're doing, and continue being safe. Right? Bun, say bye.
Bye.
You're so silly.